ChatGPT strikes again. Yep, there are so many reasons to use ChatGPT in recruiting. And today, this video is all about closing candidates. Time to make some money. Check out this video right now. Hey, welcome to the Millionaire Recruiter. I'm Brandon Rooney, your Millionaire Recruiter. If you've not seen this channel before, it's all about making you the next Millionaire Recruiter via ChatGPT, my new buddy. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip over to a really fun share screen because you're going to want to see this in real time. And hopefully this will help you negotiate and close even more deals. Now, negotiation is a science, and it's definitely something that you should take very seriously. There are many different ways and techniques to close. I do that in the Thriversity course. So look in the comments below, check that out, take it, nail it, and become the next Millionaire Recruiter. See you on the flip side. All right, everyone, welcome to the chat closing share screen. You know, I'll get super excited about doing this. And so what I'm going to bring to you today is how you can use ChatGPT to close your candidates. Now, the thing with ChatGPT is you need to make sure that you're giving it as much context as you would given it. Like if I was going to role play with one of my employees, if you're going to role play with your boss or hiring manager or whatever you're doing to close this deal, you have to give them the same amount of context. So naturally, throughout best practice, throughout the interview process, hopefully you're already talking to the candidates, you know their intake. Originally, you're talking through them and adding notes throughout the entire process, okay? So here's what I'm doing. I already put the notes for you. So I said, I have an engineering candidate, Varun, who's getting an offer from Grammarly. I need to close him on joining. Below is the intake info I have from them at the start of their job search and throughout their journey. So here's my notes. Varun went back to work at LinkedIn because his manager begged him to, and that it was his favorite leader. However, that person is no longer there, and he doesn't feel obligated to stay. He's looking for a place where he can really learn and be more innovative with a product and mission he really believes. So I know that this isn't about how we get their motivators here, but this is just something to note. Like, this is how much I dig into this, okay? He's open to remote or in office, has zero preferences as long as the remote option has a great culture. He likes big companies, but no longer interested in FANG type. He would like a little smaller, but more focused on the work and the mentorship he can get. Salary minimum is $180K. He makes way more than that with total package, and he knows it's high. Varun is currently doing tons of interviews and having a hard time keeping up with them. That was the original intake. Okay, here's more. Varun likes Grammarly a lot. The hiring manager is his favorite from all the companies. The offer from Grammarly is $190 with a $15K sign-on bonus. He's happy, but Meta just came in with an offer for $100K more because of the stock package. He said he didn't want a FANG company, and I need a closing script and strategy. Please help. Okay. So I'm going to just start there. Let's just see what chat has to say. Okay. So closing Varun on joining Grammarly despite the higher offer from Meta will require emphasizing the unique aspects of Grammarly that align with his preferences and career goals. Here's a script and strategy. Okay. So I'm super jazzed on this. Now, hopefully you're closing Varun and all your candidates on the phone. But what's really important is that you learn how to close via text. So via email. And also, maybe even via text. But so Grammarly went ahead and just gave you an email. I didn't tell it to, but it is what it is, right? It's the same thing. So I've been reflecting on your conversations and the journey you've had so far in your job search. This right here is great because you're setting yourself up to be their career therapist. And you do have to reflect, right? They have to reflect. So from what you've shared with me, so again, you're not saying it's your opinion, right? You're just summarizing what it is. It's clear that finding the right fit is crucial for you. You're not just looking for a job, you're seeking a place where you can truly grow, innovate, and align with the mission that resonates deeply with you. This is so good, okay? Grammarly isn't just another company. It's a community of passionate individuals dedicated to empower people through clear, effective communication. See, it knows who Grammarly is. I know you admire our mission, the impact our product has on millions worldwide. But beyond that, I believe Grammarly offers you the perfect environment to thrive professionally and personally. This is maybe a little filler, but again, good to add. You mentioned your admiration for our hiring manager, and I'm thrilled to hear that you've connected with them. At Grammarly, you'll have the opportunity to work closely with inspiring leaders just like them, receiving the mentorship and guidance you're seeking to advance your career. This is massive. Okay. I understand that Meta has presented a tempting offer, especially with the substantial stock package. However, I encourage you to consider the broader picture. Grammarly might not offer the same financial package, but we're providing something invaluable. I will tell you, I love, love, love this because this is being very direct, very much to the point. Okay. Culture of innovation, learning support. Varun, I genuinely believe that joining Grammarly will not only fulfill your career aspirations, but also provide you with a sense of belonging and purpose. Your contributions will be valued, your growth encouraged, and your potential unleashed. Okay, I love this. Now, this is so cool. This is why I love this so much. Okay, it gives you a strategy. Highlight fit and alignment. Emphasize mentorship and growth. Focus on culture. Address financial considerations, okay? So you have to acknowledge Meta's offer. Absolutely, okay? And then personalized communication, right? Naturally. So now you're like, okay, this is great, but I also have learned so many different, closing techniques to close. So what am I gonna do? Well, let's paste this. Oops, sorry, wrong pasty here. So in my course, I offer plenty of different techniques for closing, okay? So what I did was, and if anyone has taken my course, you will know that all of these are available to you. And I love this because I think there's always different ways to close, and there's always maybe one or two that you're going to bring in here. So I'm going to put below are the closing techniques. Oops, of course I can't spell. Techniques I use. Please pick one or a few I can use to close Varun. All right, now let's see what it says. Ooh, love it. Okay, so they're saying the summary close. Oh my God, and they're even giving me an example. I love this so much. And you see how fast this goes. And I will tell you, by the way, yes, I've closed Varun. And yes, it worked out. But what's exciting is it's giving me the confidence to do so. It's giving me, we always want to put somewhere where they're going to be super comfortable and thrive, right? Like as a recruiter, yeah, you want to close a deal, but you also want to do what's right for them. And so I love that based off of the notes, literally the notes from my database, I have given them the situation I have given chat, and it comes and it does exactly what I know is right. And it's a summary close. So the summary close is really the approach where you're giving all of the information in clear, constructive manner. Okay, here it is, right for you, clear picture. I think it's safe to say this is a good thought. Okay, so I'll have this on the screen here. I don't need to read it to you. So pause, get it on the screen, make it big, all those things. But I love this. I love that it just summed up everything that they wanted and needed. And it has the key points in order to make it an attractive option. Now, here's the thing. The only thing that I don't think chat highlighted here that I want to make sure that you do in this situation is originally when we spoke, he didn't want a FANG company. Meta literally is FANG. It is the definition of FANG, right? It is the F, the Facebook is that F, right? So I would have said, look, Varun, you literally said you do not want a FANG company. What changed? What is Meta now going to bring to you that you're now going to be fulfilled? Okay. Money is just money. You have to wake up in the morning and want to go to work. So why did you go out of your way to tell me you didn't want FANG? And why are you now even considering that as an option? That's massive. And that is something that chat did not get. So this is why, and I love this happening like this. This is why you have to have that recruiter instinct. You have to have that training behind it. You have to role play, but you can use AI here to help you, but it's not going to be perfect. And that's again why, ding, 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 AI is not taking a job of a recruiter because it did not think of that. Okay. So enjoy, have fun. Whenever I close, I stand, I smile, I really bring it, even if I'm not doing it on the phone. I still am like very da-da-da-da-da. I'm jamming with some music. So good luck. I can't wait to hear if you've used this before, if it's worked. And then if you haven't, when you use it, please come back and put comments here. We got to help our community out. All right. See you next week. Okay. So I know that moved quickly. You know I move fast. And you too can, with practice, move just as fast. So as you saw, it is all about the prompts. We're going to do a video coming up that is definitely going to talk more about how can you become this prompt engineer? How do you save these guides? And so we'll do that soon, but put in the comments below before I do that video, because I want to hear from you. What prompts are you having a hard time with? What use cases have you been doing on ChatGPT, and which ones do you want to do? All right, see you soon. I'll see you every Thursday at noon. And don't forget that money is just a vessel to do all the amazing things you want to go do in life. Go live it. See you next week.
Elevate your recruiting game with Thriversity. We specialize in crafting certified recruiting courses that go beyond the basics, building and fine-tuning recruiters for unparalleled success. Whether you're a newcomer, welcome, or a seasoned pro, our courses are designed to empower you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the dynamic world of recruitment. Join Thriversity today and level up your recruiting game.